You've heard the rumors. You've seen the spec charts, maybe. But now the leaks are coalescing, and the release date is reportedly locked in. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a monster in the APS-C mirrorless world. In this deep dive, we'll explore every whisper, every speculation, and every tantalizing possibility. From sensor design to video modes, autofocus wizardry to thermal management, and examine how Canon might be positioning this as the ultimate one-body creative tool. 1. The rumor storm. Why everyone's talking R7 Mark II. Whenever a new Canon model leaks, the photography community buzzes. But this time feels different. The original R7 already established itself as a serious tool for hybrid shooters. But the Mark II promises to push things to another level. In fact, insiders are hinting at such bold upgrades that many observers believe it might even redefine the APS-C mirrorless category. At the heart of that excitement lies speculation about a stacked APS-C sensor, rumored in the 33-40 MP range, teamed with Canon's next-generation processing engine, Digic X Plus, a Digic accelerator module. The goal: extreme readout speeds, low noise in dim light, and ultra-fast data handling. That combo, if real, could let the R7 Mark II outperform many full-frame rivals in certain metrics. Other leaks suggest Canon may ditch, or at least greatly downsize, the mechanical shutter, going full electronic instead. That could open the door to silent shooting at perhaps 40 frames per second, continuous. If Canon pulls that off while maintaining image quality and low rolling shutter, sports and wildlife shooters will be drooling. Then there's autofocus, the next iteration of dual-pixel CMOS AF, sometimes dubbed DP-AF2 or DP-COS-AF2 in insider chatter, might bring even more robust AI-driven recognition. We're talking people, eyes, animals, birds, vehicles, all locked in automatically, even during aggressive bursts. Combine that with a rumored 8.5 stop in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and we're looking at buttery smooth handheld video and tack-sharp stills at lower shutter speeds. And that's just the core. On the design side, expect ergonomics upgrades, deeper grip, new joystick, refined controls, a high-resolution OLED EVF, a fully articulating display, and serious video credentials. 4K 120 frames per second, plus talk of 6K or even 8K. Canon may also push connectivity. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C 3.2, dual card slots, CF Express Plus UHS to SD. Active cooling, smart battery use, and AI-assisted in-camera post tools. As for launch date and pricing, leaks suggest Q4 2025, possibly between October and December, with teasing likely at IBC September. Body only might land in the $1,799, $1,999 range, while kit versions, e.g. with an 18 to 150mm zoom, could push toward $2,300. Given all that, many are asking, is it worth the wait? Let's dig into each major rumor thread and see where there's promise, where there are red flags, and where Canon might surprise us. 2. Sensor and readout. The brain of the beast. 2.1 stacked APS-C design. Why it matters. One of the biggest rumors is that Canon is moving to a stacked sensor architecture for the R7 Mark II. A stacked sensor, also called stacked CMOS, layers circuitry behind the photodiodes, placing readout and memory buffers beneath the light-sensitive surface. This enables far faster data transfer compared to traditional sensors, and helps reduce rolling shutter distortion in fast-moving scenes. In the APS-C format, which has a crop factor of 1.6 times for Canon, achieving high resolution, high-speed performance is a delicate balancing act. Too much data per frame, and you're bottlenecked by readout or heat. Because of this, rumors placing the megapixel count in the 33 to 40 MP range are compelling. High enough to appeal to detail-hungry users, but not so high as to choke performance. If Canon can pull off such a sensor, It may deliver readout speeds fast enough to support high frame rates with minimal rolling shutter.